What's going on, YouTuber? In this video I will do the unboxing of Sony PlayStation Classic Mini. It is released today on the 3rd of December 2018. The price of this game is €100 in Europe, and this game has 20 classic games including Tekken 3 and GTA. So before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will receive notification from my next video. So this is a PlayStation Classic. You can see there is a 20 game, and there's the original controller. There's no DualShock. On this side you can see the model number, and there's a potential. On the back you can see there is 20 games, and I know my favorite one is Tekken 3, and also there is a GTA as well. I heard, like on the internet, I heard there will be no GTA, but I think they put it, so that's rare. So this is the European version, not the US version. On this side you can see the 2 controller, HDMI cable, and the PlayStation Soul. And you know, yeah, here there is no what do you call it, charge, the adapter. I don't know why they don't put it. It's only like they cost them €2 or €3, but still they didn't put any adapter, so that's the downside, but still it's alright. And you can see that's the PlayStation 1, the original one, and you can see, you know, how small it is. So okay, let's start the unboxing and see what is inside. No, yeah. White box. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, there is a PlayStation logo. Whoa! Oh my god. It's too tiny. It's too tiny. The manual, you know, that's gonna happen always with me. So there is 2 menu on the how you have to plug HDMI, all things, menu. Let's leave it now. So guys, very tiny. Look like 5.5 inch mobile phone. No. Open? No. No one open. Oh, you also put this. Oh, just for, no, you can't open this. So there's the HDMI, USB port. So that's the USB controller, like. So. Okay, more. Even the controller also tiny, not big one. But you can see this is a USB, not the normal one, the one PlayStation had. So yeah, 2 controller. That's the USB for power. and HDMI cable. So you can see the difference between those two PlayStations. So and side by side, so that's the front, very small. That's the side. You can open this, so but you can the other one. That's the back. And that's the. And I'm sure, 100% sure, like the Chinese, they definitely will release the clone as soon as possible because they always do it. So this is my Nokia phone, and you can see it exactly same size of both. So yeah, so that's unboxing. I'll try to find out the games and how we look it, so I'll see you in a minute. So now I turn on the PlayStation Classic and see how the games look like. So that's the logo and the screen. English United Kingdom, not United States. So some guide. Okay. So those are the 20 games. Definitely I'll go first. Again, 1997. So the screen is not 16.9, this is a 4.3. Oh, it looks like the game is still lagging. Oh yeah, you can save it here as well. Resume point or memory card. I wish there should be a matte slot, but no idea why there isn't. Print add. So I never played GTA on PS1 before. Let's move. No? So those all 20 games, and yeah, I can't play all of them. Again, the game quality is not that good. What should we be expected? But so that's it for the game. So after playing 2 games, I think the quality of the games is not that nice. It should be, because the product price is €100 in Europe. And again, like, if you love collection, so yeah, you can get for collection, but I don't, if you want to play a game, so I don't think so. I'm not recommended to buy this one, because nowadays you can download games from PS3 store, PS4, even PS Vita, so you can download it and play it. So that's be better. Like, if you download 20 games from there, you know, it will cost you less than this. But still, if you love, like, it's a collection, so yeah, that's so nice for collection, because this is the official PlayStation 1 classic from the Sony PlayStation, so that's why it's good for collection. Other than that, the games was like weird. So that's it for today. If you like my video, so please subscribe it and share the video, and also comment. I'll see you next time.